Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to find a YouTube channel's most popular video. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. So after searching for YouTube, simply open a channel by searching. For example, I search for Breaking News TV. Now open channel. So here I want the most popular video of this channel. I simply go to videos, and now in the right side option is available short by. Click on it. So here you can see that popular, most popular. Select it. So here you can see that all most popular videos are shown. For example, this video got 1.8 M views, second video is 1 M, then 758K. So this is the all popular videos of this channel. Hope this video helped to solve your problem of how to find a YouTube channel's most popular videos. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.